Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is this feature is currently not available while using generative fill in Photoshop. Now for this, launch Creative Cloud. So open Adobe Creative Cloud. Once this is open, you can go to apps, and if you see Adobe Photoshop over here, if you see update option over here, you can click on it. If you see update option, you can update it. If you see update option over here, update it. Or you can go to install apps at the right hand side, go to install apps and then click on these three dots, click on check for update. And if you see update option over here, click if you see Adobe Photoshop, click on it. If there is any update, you can update it from here, or you can click on update all, or you can click on check for update. And if there is any update, let the update complete. So update your Photoshop, and once you update your Photoshop, then you can use the generative fill option and you should not receive this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.